try to focus on front warrior. Now remember, do the best you can. Turn off autopilot. And if you need to take breaks, take breaks. If you want to practice the poses individually, practice them individually. I'll call them out as we go. But if you want to try to combine all the poses and the iterations, do your best and follow along with me. Okay? So let's come to the top of our mat, short end of our mat. And we're more or less kind of like in a mountain pose. Feet about hip width apart, toes pointing forward. In this case, stare at your left foot. Keeping your left foot where it is, drag your right foot straight back. We get into that high runner's lunge. That's also front warrior. Double check that your hips are square, pointing forward. Belly button points forward. Pubic bone points forward. Chest bone points forward. Everything points forward. Squat down just a little bit into your front leg. Bring your arms up overhead if that's possible. Front warrior and breathe. Steady breathing. And just keep working on the rear leg being straight. Posterior pelvic tilt. You're trying to be as upright as possible. One more inhale. Exhale. Lower your hands about shoulder height, like Frankenstein. Inhale. Exhale. Turn your ribs towards your front leg. So your left leg is the front leg, you're turning your ribs to the left. Breathe here. You're trying to feel a stretch more or less on the front side of the right body. One more inhale. Exhale, back to center. Inhale. Exhale, turn to the right. Or turn towards your rear leg, whichever. Try to keep the rear leg as straight as possible and just notice, hopefully you notice, that you're getting a nice deep stretch on the rear hip. Steady breathing. Back to center. Hands to heart center. Retract your skull and we get into the humble warrior. Now you can straighten your rear leg a little more. Steady breathing. 3, 2, 1. Stare at your front foot. Do the warrior 3 shuffle, and let's see if we can get into warrior 3. As long as one foot is up and one foot is down, it counts. 3, 2, 1. Gently come to a standing position. Hang on. Raise your left knee. And we get into squatting without squatting. So by switching to the right foot, we're able to keep the front warrior stance, more or less. And we balance here. One more big inhale. One more big exhale. Both feet down. Both hands down. Good. Let's try the other side. Stare at your right foot, please. Drag your left foot straight back. We get into a high runner's lunge. Double check. Hip bones pointing forward. Pubic bone, belly button, chest bone, everything points forward. When your legs are set, arms up overhead for front warrior, and breathe. Keep working the action of the rear leg. One more big inhale. Big exhale. Hands come to about shoulder height like Frankenstein. Turn your ribs towards your front leg. In this case, the right leg. Breathe. You should be feeling a stretch on the front side of the rear leg. One more inhale. Exhale, unwind. Inhale. Exhale, turn towards your rear leg. Steady breathing. 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Hands to heart center, inhale. Exhale, humble warrior. Breathe. Try to retract that skull. Steady breathing. 3, 2, 1. Warrior 3 shuffle. Into warrior 3. 3, 2, 1. Both feet down. Come straight into squatting without squatting. Steady breathing. 3, 2, 1. Both feet down, both hands down. Nice.